Use the dual app features on Android. This is an extremely amazing app customization feature where you can use multiple apps on Androids, meaning you can run multiple different accounts and customize them all. It explores Android's hidden features to use two accounts of the same app onto one phone. For that purpose, we are going to head over to settings and we are going to select apps, app management here. We're going to tap on dual apps right here, and we're going to select the different clones you want to make of these apps. You can do that for Facebook, for Instagram, for Messenger, Snapchat, Telegram, and WhatsApp. So you can be running two different accounts on one simple device. You usually have to install a WhatsApp business to be running two different accounts, but WhatsApp's pretty much been updating itself, and now you can run two different accounts on to same WhatsApp app as well. But this will be essentially so helpful for Facebook, even Messenger, and Telegram. All I'll have to do is press this button and simply enable it. It's going to create a dual space. So this is how you can run two dual accounts and app feature onto Android.